Would I be able to speak to a registrar?
Well, we all act as on the court of the registrar, so you can speak to me.
Okay, your name?
Sarah.
Okay, Sarah, I've been trying to get the certificate of stay issued. I've already sent my notice of appeal, and I'm appealing my entire proceeding. And I'm just, it's been already 18 days, and I'm trying to get that issued.
Okay, let me just see if you have it, which is 500
All right.
You sent in notice of appeal, the waiver, and the notice of motion, right?
Yeah, since then, and it's just been a long time. And I mean, I know it's automatically stayed anyways, but you're still supposed to get the certificate.
Right. And you haven't received a file number?
No.
Regarding the notice of appeal, right?
No. Okay. Thank you.
So I'm just going to pass that off to the deputy registrar just so that she can take a look at it. If you want to take a seat, she'll be, I'm not sure if she's going to come out and help me with it or if my supervisor will.
Okay, all right. I appreciate your help, eh? Thank you. It's just after so long, I'm like, what's going on?
I know.
Thank you. So, all right, thank you. Hello.
Okay, you Mr. Persaud?
Yeah, your name?
Sandra.
Sandra, okay. Yeah, I filed this since, my intent, since January 6th. Since then, the complete orders have been sent out. And so I'm appealing the entire matter. I don't know why everything is going to legal. I'm supposed to be able to file my appeal and have it adjudicated on.
You're trying to pass this motion for appeal in court, right? Am I correct?
I filed this.
Okay, and then you got a letter from the legal department with respect to that, right?
Yeah, I got a letter and I responded to that. I have the email here where I responded to it. The case that she brought up, it's not a case where they're appealing the vexatious litigant as well as the order. They have a separate order.
Okay,
like can I just finish?
Yeah, okay.
So what happened is the case that she brought up in the legal, that person was asking for relief from the vexatious litigant order to be able to appeal another order. Okay, and I put that in my email correspondence to her last night. And so it's not applicable. In my case, I'm appealing the entire case and all the interim orders therein, which I have already checked it out with a lawyer. And I don't want to say who the lawyer is. I guess I don't. I'm self-represented. I'm speaking to pro bono as well as some other lawyers. They've all said, I have the right to file my notice and have it adjudicated on. If a judge adjudicates and says something, then I go take it to the Supreme Court of Canada, and that's my right. So all I'm looking for is the matters. Once I delivered my notice of appeal, which was January 6th was the initial, everything is stayed automatically according to Rule 63 of the rules. I followed everything, all the rules, completely by the book.
Okay.
And
can I speak now because
no, I know, but
the notice of appeal was never filed.
I filed it.
There's nothing filed at the Court of Appeal.
Well, I have my.
It was rejected because of this.
I know, but I explained that. That would
please.
That was only rejected.
No file at the Court of Appeal.
Okay, but what I'm saying is that was only rejected yesterday, 18 days after. Actually, no, even more, because I originally filed my initial notice January 6th. And then I when I advised, I think it's I'm just trying to explain my entire situation, ma'am.
That's fine.
Okay, no, I know. So what I'm saying is I filed my notice of appeal. but that's the whole problem, right? If I filed my notice of appeal, I'm not sure why the registrar kept coming up with all these different excuses not to accept it. Each and every time I've sent back emails and I've said, you know, this is the situation. I've quoted the rules, I've quoted case law, and so anyway, so I've explained. So what happened? Can I just finish? So then what happened? I know, but I'm trying to finish. So then yesterday, only yesterday, do I get this letter from your legal, and what they've indicated in this letter is incorrect, because the case that they're citing, that person was not appealing the vexatious litigant. She was looking for relief of the vexatious litigant in order to appeal another order. My situation is different. I'm appealing the entire case, which includes the vexatious litigant order.
When did you say that?
Right? Sorry?
When did you say that in your notice of appeal?
I put in my, well, I wouldn't have, okay, but I would not have known this until last night, when I got this letter.
Okay, so are you able to say a new notice of appeal to include the
okay, so my notice of appeal does include it.
This is why I'm saying.
No. My notice of appeal
what does it say
does include the vexatious. It says right here, December 20th, that's the vexatious. It's all of them are here. Yeah, that was my original, and then Noah asked me to change it.
The one for December 20th?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry? I sent it to Simon. I sent it to Simon, right? So what I explained, what Simon, I have all the emails here, and I documented everything. And okay, so.
You want a copy of that vexation photo, please?
Yep. And I filed everything on time, like everything, you know, I'm very, very a stickler to following everything exactly, you know? So, so everything is...
The main thing you need to do, it seems as though you have several orders arising from the December 20th.
Not arising from. What happens is when you appeal an entire case, it's all the interim orders that are therein, right?
Okay, so if you want to put the orders in, just like she said, we are dealing with the only one final order of the judge, which may incorporate all the others. That's not the issue. The issue is the one final order. That's what we want to deal with. Okay. And anything else you want to put in, which is explained in the letter, then you can put that in.
Oh, okay. So what? Okay.
So let's look first and see the vexation.
So what happened is when I initially spoke to Noah before yesterday when I got this, right? What Noah had said is he wanted me to put the final order. So there are essentially two final orders, right? And both of them are being appealed because they came out at the same time, right? Same day, January 11th, right?
Judge?
Yeah, same judge, same order, same date. But what I've already provided in it, which I have in this correspondence here, is you can appeal several orders, even from different judges and different dates, because I already did it. And that's one of the orders that are the interim, right? So I, no, that was at the divisional court. So that sets it. But anyways, I also have other case law. What I'm saying is I don't want to adjudicate it with you guys, right? All I'm here to do...
You're not adjudicating with us because you can't, because we are not the judges.
Exactly.
But we are not going to take documents that will, judges have to deal with administrative issues. So that's why the administration has to be dealt with first before it even goes to judge, because they will not even look at this.
So I guess what it is I'm unclear because every time I handle Simon's objections, I'm being given different ones, right? So what I did was I resubmitted a supplementary notice of appeal.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me, because I can't, have to review if it's anything.
Sure.
The reason for this decision, it was heard on December the 19th. Was it reserved and then released?
Sorry?
Was it reserved, the matter, and then it was released on the 11th of...
No, it was only released on, it was the original, which one is this, the vexatious litigant?
That's it.
Okay, so what it is that order was released on December 20th, which is what it says there, and if you look at...
Where's the December 20th?
Okay, so what I'm... Okay, so let me explain to you. Okay? Okay, look at my, okay, see how it says December 20th, and reasons, which is what you have there, dated January 11th.
So you mean it was heard December 19th and 20th?
No.
And then released on...
No. Look, please read what I'm actually saying here. December 20th, I provided that to Simon. I already gave him a copy of that. Right? I provided that to Simon. So the order came out on December 20th. Those reasons were released on January 11th. So initially, that's why initially when I filed my on January 6th, right, I said I'm waiting for the reasons to come out.
Let me ask you some questions.
Okay.
When the matter was heard in the Superior Court of Justice, at the end of the hearing, was it reserved or the decision was released right away with reasons to follow?
Okay, so I think I just explained that to you.
No, you didn't.
It was released on December 20th. I provided Simon all of the orders. It was released on December 20th, and the reasons came out on January 11th. So you have the reasons here, but you don't have the original order, but I gave that to Simon.
Okay.
Okay?
That one here is what you claim your vexation for.
Yes, so that I'm appealing, which is according to the rules of civil procedure, rule number 63. That is, it's an automatic stay as soon as I
determine the
but let me, can I please finish?
Because you're going around.
But I have to explain everything to you, right? You're cutting me off. Yeah, according to the rules of civil procedure, and I have checked it out with several lawyers. Can I finish?
Yes.
Can I please finish? Listen. I'm here already. I came all the way down from Brampton, please. Yes. Right? Okay, so just stop trying to cut me off. Okay. I'm explaining everything to you, right? I'm explaining it very calmly. I have a smile on my face, right? Okay, listen. What happened? What's going on is Justice Thomas John McEwen. He sexually harassed and solicited me. He wanted sex for his orders, and all that's been happening so far is all the courts are trying to prevent me my right to appeal this case, right? So explain to me what. Okay, but what is it that you want? What is it that you want? Because I've understand. But I've explained it to you.
Okay, you have done it. That's why I told you there is nothing for you to explain.
Okay, so what I'm wondering is why are you not filing it? Because I followed.
We cannot unless I read that decision. I look at the order. Okay. Look at the notice.
But do you understand?
Then I'll get back.
But do you understand? According to Rule 63, as soon as you as soon as you serve the notice, it's automatically stayed. Then what you do is you come in and you get a stay certificate from you guys signed. I've submitted that. Simon asked me to rejig it. I rejigged it. So but I'm confused right now because every time you guys are telling me a different story, and every time I handle it, you guys are coming up with some other reason to prevent me my right to appeal. This has been escalated to Justin Trudeau directly, as well as the Chief Justice. I'm here. Why are you getting so upset? Why are you not being so helpful? But you shouldn't be treating the public like this, right? Don't you think? What was your name again? What was your name again? Okay, Sandra. But every single time you guys do that, you're trying to come up with right? No, it's because I've spoken to Simon, who hung up the phone on me. I've spoken to Stacy, who hung up the phone on me. Right?
I'm not understanding what you're trying.
No, but I have the right to file my notice of appeal, which I've followed every single part of it. Every objection you come up with. I know, because you're not letting me finish. Right? You're trying. You should. Everybody deserves respect.
But
everybody deserves respect, right? So listen. You asked me the questions. I gave them to you, right? And what is it that you're at? Do you want me to put? I'm unclear as to what is it that you're wanting me to do, because I followed every single thing, right?
What did I just tell you?
Okay, I don't know, because you've told, every time I'm being told different things.
Okay, so please, I am the manager here.
Okay.
This is the first time it's been brought to my attention.
Oh, okay.
You have to look at it, please.
So why would they be hanging up the phone on me if they haven't even brought it to your attention?
Please,
But that's not fair, Sandra. Sandra, that's not fair for them to hang up the phone on me. Why are they abusing me? I've been through enough. It's re-victimizing me. Don't you think a woman who's had sexual misconduct happen to them, don't you think that they've been through enough? Would you treat all women like this, Sandra?
It's not about treating anybody.
You are, because you're trying to prevent me my right to appeal this.
You're right. We have proof here. We have everything.
Yeah, I've been documenting every single thing, right?
Let me look at it, review it.
Okay, so when can I expect you to get back to me? Okay, but you can understand, since January 6th, I've been waiting since January 6th, Sandra.
Now we'll get back to you.
Okay, but can you tell me what sort of time frame? Because can you answer just one other last question? Why is it when somebody's coming in to file documents, why is it being sent to legal?
Okay,
right? When I've explained everything.
Hold on, we are not legal. We cannot be.
But to take a filing, you shouldn't be going to legal. This has to go to a judge.
Take a filing like if you're the Superior Court of Justice.
But I have all the.
I have instruct judicial instructions to ensure that documents are taken in the way the judiciary would like it to be taken in.
Okay.
They don't unravel administrative.
But that means that multiple orders can be filed.
No. Listen to me and listen to me.
But you're not being very nice, right? I'm here talking very. No, because you're being argumentative, right? No, it's you. I'm here being totally reasonable.
Yes, and you have said what you have to say. I told you what I have to do, but you're still continuing.
Because you're not letting me finish. I was trying to explain the whole situation to you, and you're not allowing me to do that. And why are your reps hanging up the phone on the public when they're trying to get their stuff done?
I don't understand.
Right?
This is exactly why, because you're not giving.
No, but I am giving you a chance. I gave you a chance to talk. The only thing that's happened is everybody's putting me off every single time.
A favor, please. Can I review it? I'm speaking to you and I have no idea as to what all these are about.
Okay.
It was just brought to my attention.
Well, I'm surprised.
I told you I would leave, would review it. I told you I would get back to you, but you want to talk about
but why would, if they're giving me all this flack since January 6th, why would they be doing that? Sandra, why are you walking away from me?